Hello to all, welcome to Momentum IS. I am here to present another video on history, that is School of Sculpture in Post-Modern Age. Mainly 3 स्कूल ऑफ स्कल्पचर थे पोस्ट मॉडर्न एज के, गांधारा, मथुरा, अमरावती. अब हम इनमें डिस्टिंक्शन देखेंगे क्या क्या था. देयर आर सर्टेन वेरियस पॉइंट्स, उनकी बेसिस पे विल डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन द 3 स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट्स. पहला इज ओरिजिन. जब गांधारा के बारे में बात करें, गांधारा ओरिजिनेट हुआ था अराउंड 1st सेंचुरी BC एंड मथुरा अराउंड 2nd सेंचुरी BC एंड अमरावती was originated around 1st सेंचुरी BC. So the oldest amongst them is the मथुरा. अब हम नेचर ऑफ इमेजेस के बारे में बात करें. गांधारा, द नेचर ऑफ इमेजेस बेसिकली स्ट्रिक्टली रिलीजियस थी एंड दैट टू स्ट्रिक्टली बुद्धिस्ट इमेजेस थी ओनली गांधारा में. एंड जब हम मथुरा के बारे में बात करें तो रिलीजियस एज वेल एज सेकुलर इमेजेस थे वहाँ पर. एंड रिलीजियस में ब्राह्मणिकल डाइटीज़, इवन ब्राह्मणिकल डाइटीज़ की इमेजेस वर द अर्लीस्ट कंस्ट्रक्टेड अंडर द मथुरा स्कूल. Apart from that, other religion is basically Buddhism, Jainas images were also there. The most famous is the Dharmchakra Parivartan Mudra of the Buddha. एंड सेकुलर इमेज अगर मथुरा का अगर मेंशन करें इज हेडलेस स्टैच्यू ऑफ कनिष्का, स्लेव गर्ल. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ इमेजेस इन अमरावती, इट इज सिमिलर टू द गांधारा, similar to the Mathura. Now we'll talk about the patronage. Now this Gandhara school is patronized by the Shakas Kushanas. And when we talk about Mathura, there was earlier patronized by the local rulers and later patronized by Shakas and Kushanas, whereas Amravatis were patronized by Satavahanas and Ishkwakus. अब while analyzing this, अब हम ये देख सकते हैं कि purely indigenous school of art कौन सा था? अमरावती. क्यों? क्योंकि ये पैटर्नाइज करा था शाकास कुशानास, ये पैटर्नाइज करा था सातवाहनास एंड इश्कवाकुस ने. And the other school of arts, that is Gandhara and Mathura, are linked to Shakas and Kushanas, and they were the foreigners. इनको Scythians बोलते हैं और Yavanas बोलते हैं because they came from the outside India, from the central Russian steppes. जब Chinese wall construct हुआ था, so they have been pushed into the Indian subcontinent. So these were the outsiders. Now other point of distinction is, we'll talk about the region. The Gandhara is located near the northwestern part of the subcontinent with the major centers like Taxila, Jalalabad, Hadda, Bimaran, Shaji Ki Dheri. Shaji Ki Dheri is an important center of Gandhara school of art. And when we talk about the regions of the Mathura, is around the region of the Mathura, and is the maximum the sculpture of the Mathura school of art were found in the Jamalpur. And when we talk about the Amravati school, the main centers are Goli, Ghantasal, Nagarjuna Konda and Vengi region as well. तभी अगर there is a question कि which school of art is known as Vengi school of art, so it is referred to the Amravati school. Now we'll talk about the feature that is the most important aspect is, गांधारा के बारे में जब हम देखेंगे तो गांधारा में जो बुद्धिस्ट की इमेजेस थी is like this is the Buddhist image. The curly hair, transparent drapery, muscular body. And when we talk about the image of the Mathura school, this image of the Mathura school is basically based on the simplicity, soberness. Here the seated position of the Buddha is characterized by broad shoulders, large chest, legs placed apart. And when we talk about this Amravati school, so this is the Amravati school basically emphasized on the feminine beauty, and these are the features. Now we'll move on to the material part, that is the materials used. In Gandhara school, earlier the material used were the wood, stucco, and they later adopted the blue grey stone. And in मथुरा रीजन में क्या होता है, बहुत प्लेंटीफुल रेड सैंडस्टोन मिलते हैं, तो वाइट स्पॉटेड रेड स्टोन्स लार्जली यूज्ड हुए थे मथुरा स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट में. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट वेंगी और अमरावती स्कूल, दिस वाइट मार्बल वाज यूज्ड ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल. अब हम देखेंगे लास्ट aspect of differentiation, that is the decline. अब कौन सा स्कूल कितना कंटिन्यू रहा is मथुरा. जब हम गांधारा के बारे में बात करें, गांधारा is after Shakas Kushanas it declined. ख़त्म हो गया. एंड मथुरा आफ्टर शाकास कुशानास कि इट वॉज स्टिल देयर इवन कुछ टाइम तक, गुप्ता एज में भी इट स्टिल सर्वाइव्ड. And when you talk about Amravati was basically, it even moved outside the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia तक पहुँच गया. So these are the features of distinction between the main schools of sculpture in the post-modern age. Thank you.